Good morning children, welcome to math class. How are you all? I hope you all good. So in previous session we had discussed about what are the letters formed by straight lines and what are the letters formed by curved lines and what are the letters formed by both straight lines and curved lines. So now once we'll revise the yesterday's topic children. So now can anyone tell me, so S is formed by straight line or curved line? Yes children, S is formed by only curved line. And yes, H is formed by straight lines or curved lines or both children. Yes, here we can write H like this. So these all are straight lines. So H is formed by only straight lines. R, you can check R children, is this formed by straight lines or curved lines or both? Yes, R is formed by both straight lines and curved lines. So now everyone open Studio page number 21. Okay, open Studio page number 21. So in today's class we are going to learn about open shapes and closed shapes. So do you know children what are open shapes and what are closed shapes? So for example here given the shape like this. Okay, here you can check, is this shape opened or closed? Here it is open, no. So this is called open shape. Okay, we call this as open shape. And then we have to check children. Next one. So is this shape open anywhere? No, it's closed fully. So we can say this as closed shape. Okay, we can say this shape as closed shape. Okay children, here this is open. So we call this as open shape and here this shape closed fully. So we can say this as closed shape. A triangle is formed with three straight lines. It is a closed shape and the three straight lines are called the sides of the triangle. Yes, we know that children, what is the name of this shape? Yes, this is triangle. Triangle is formed by three straight lines. So these three straight lines are called sides. Okay, these three straight lines are called sides. Okay, triangle having three sides. Okay, triangle having 1, 2, 3. Three sides and this is closed shape. Next, hands-on activity 2.7 children. Follow the instructions given by your teacher to form different shapes like using 4 sticks. Yes, here you have to check children. Look at this closed shape. Yes, is this closed shape or not? Yes, this closed fully. No, this is closed shape. Closed shape formed with 4 sides. This is a square. Okay, what shape it is children? This is a square. Okay children, this is a square. In square, all sides are equal. Okay, all 4 sides are equally long. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So square is formed by 4 straight lines and these 4 straight lines are called sides, 4 sides of the square. So now join the dots to draw another square. Okay, here given another square children, you have to join the dots to draw another square. Next, turn to next page, page number 22. Look at this closed shape with 4 sides. The blue sides are longer than the red sides. Okay, look at this closed shape with 4 sides. Okay, here given the shape like this. The blue sides are equally long. Okay, what are the blue sides here children? Here these are blue sides. Okay, these two are blue sides and these are equally long. And these two are short and these two are equally long. So this is a rectangle. Okay, what shape it is children? This is rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. So in rectangle, so can you identify the difference between square and rectangle children? Yes, you can see this is square and this is rectangle. Yes, what is the difference between square and rectangle children? Yes, square having 4 sides and rectangle also having 1, 2, 3, okay, rectangle is also having 4 sides. But coming to the square, all 4 sides are equal. 4 sides are equal. But in rectangle, 2 sides are longer and equal. And 2 sides are shorter and equal. Okay, 2 sides long and 2 sides short. This is the difference between rectangle and square. So join dots to draw another rectangle here. Next, look deep. 2.8. The square below is formed by 4 sticks. How can you change the square into a rectangle? By adding 2 more sticks of the same length. Okay, here the square is formed by 4 sticks, children. This square formed by only 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how can you change this square into a rectangle? Yes, can anyone know, children? How can we change the square into rectangle? By adding 2 more sticks of length. So here given 2 more sticks, children. Now you can add this 2 sticks to change this square as rectangle. So now we'll discuss, children, how we have to change square into rectangle by adding 2 more sticks of same length. So now here you can draw, children. Draw the rectangle using the 6 sticks. Okay, here what you have to do? You have to draw the rectangle with using 6 sticks. So just I am showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are the 6 sticks. Okay, these are the 6 sticks. Now you can use these 6 sticks to form rectangle, children. So first, this is 1 stick. Okay, this is 1 stick. And here I am drawing 1 more. Okay, here I use 2 sticks to draw this rectangle. And here I am using another stick. 3. 1, 2, 3. Already 3 completed. Next. 4 and 5. And this is 6. Okay, here I use 6 sticks. Am I correct or not, children? This is 1 stick. And this is 2nd stick. 3rd. 4th stick. And 5th stick. And this is 6th stick. So for drawing this side, I used 2 sticks. And here I used 2 sticks. And here I used 1 stick. And here I used 1 stick. So here total we use 6 sticks to draw this rectangle. So like that you have to draw the rectangle, children. So how we have to change square into rectangle? Just add 1 stick to these 2 sides. It changes to the rectangle. Okay, it changes to the rectangle. Next, all 4 sides of a square are equal in length. In a rectangle, 2 sides are longer and equal. These 2 sides are longer and equal. And these 2 sides are shorter and equal. Next, look around. So draw the object that you see around. That look like the following shape. Okay, here what we have to do, children? We have to draw the object that looks like the given shape. So what are the objects that looks like the triangle you have to draw? Okay, what are the objects that looks like the triangle we have to draw? For example, yes, children, samosa is an example of triangle shape object, and sandwich is an example of triangle shape object. Bingo mad angles is an example of triangle shape object. Hanger. So here I am drawing sandwich, children. Okay, sandwich. Sandwich is an example of triangle shape object. And hanger. We can say that hanger is an example of triangle shape object, children. Okay, hanger is an example of triangle shape object. Next, rectangle. Okay, how to write the rectangle shape object? Yes, we can say that door is an example of rectangle shape object. Bread is an example of rectangle shape object. And some biscuits are example of rectangle shape object. So for example, here I am drawing And biscuit, children. Biscuit is an also example of rectangle shape object. Biscuit. Biscuit is an example of rectangle shape object. Okay. So next, square shape object. Here what we have to write? We have to write the square shape object. Yes, now can anyone tell me, children, what are the object that looks like a square? Yes, we can say that carom board is an example of rectangle square shape object, children, and we can say that blackboard. Blackboard is an example of rectangle shape object. Okay, children? Blackboard is an example of rectangle shape object. Now coming to the square, some like 50-50 biscuit pair, 50-50 biscuits is there now. So that is the example of square shape object. And we can say, yes, can anyone say what are the object that looks like square, children? Yes, we can say that the dice, carom board, chess board, these are all the examples of square shape object. Okay, carom board, chess board, dice. Here you can draw anything. Next. Now open companion page number 12. Yes, open companion page number 13, children. 13. Yesterday we had already completed page number 12. So now open page number 13. Join the triangles to guide the rabbit towards the carrot. Okay, here you have to check, children, in this match. Some shapes are there. Not only triangles here. Two more types of shapes also there. You have to identify first what are the shapes inside this match. Yes, squares, triangles and rectangles. So first here you have to just join the triangles to guide the rabbit towards the carrot. Okay, here you have to join the triangles only to guide the rabbit to reach this carrot, children. And then count the number of rectangles, squares and circles in the match. Fill in the boxes with the numbers. And then you have to count the number of rectangles and write this number. And how many squares inside this match, you have to write the number in this box. And you have to count the circles and write. Okay, children? This is about today's class and this is your homework, companion page number 13. So everyone complete homework and post in Google Classroom. Thank you. Have a nice day.